Hey Excel lovers, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today, I'll show you how to multiply entire datasets in one step using Excel's powerful array formulas. No dragging, no extra columns, just clean, efficient results. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You manage a warehouse and have a list of products, their unit prices, and the quantity sold. Now, we want to calculate total sales for each row. First, click on cell D2 and enter this array formula. Now, simply press Enter. If you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021, Excel will return a spill range that calculates all total sales instantly. No dragging, no formulas repeated, just smart Excel. Want to get the total revenue without creating a helper column? In any empty cell, type this formula. The formula look like this. Now hit Enter. Boom, you've just calculated the entire revenue in one formula. Perfect for dashboards, reports, or presentations where you need clean, summarized data. Using an older version of Excel? After typing the formula, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter instead of just Enter. You'll see curly braces like this. This tells Excel it's an array formula, and it works the same way. Saved you from dragging formulas forever? Smash that like button. Got questions? Drop a comment. I've got you. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart Excel tips. See you in the next one.